Hello, everyone. Welcome back.
Today we're talking about motivation,
Yes, how do you stay motivated when learning English?
because many learners start strong.
But stop after a few weeks.
First question, why are you learning English?
Is it for a job?
For travel?
For studying abroad?
Or to feel more confident?
When you feel tired, remember your reason.
Your why gives you power.
Second, set small goals.
Not big goals like, I want to be fluent in 3 months.
That's too stressful.
Instead, say, I will learn 5 new words today.
Or I will listen to English for 10 minutes.
Small goals build confidence.
Another tip is tracking progress.
Write down what you learn.
Record yourself speaking.
After 1 month, listen again.
You will hear improvement.
And that feels amazing.
Learning doesn't have to be boring.
Watch English YouTube videos.
Listen to podcasts.
Follow topics you enjoy.
If you love cooking, watch cooking videos.
If you love travel, watch travel vlogs.
One big problem is comparison.
Yes, social media makes it worse.
You see someone speaking perfect English.
And you feel discouraged.
But everyone learns at a different speed.
Focus on your own progress.
Mistakes are normal.
Mistakes are part of learning.
If you wait to be perfect,
You will never speak.
be brave.
Speak anyway.
Consistency is more important than intensity.
5 minutes every day.
Is better than 1 hour once a week.
Make English part of your daily life.
Motivation comes and goes.
But discipline keeps you moving.
Even when you don't feel motivated,
Do a little practice.
small actions create big results.
So remember your why.
Set small goals
Be consistent.
and never give up.
Thank you for listening.
Keep learning.
Keep growing.
Yes, how to stay motivated when learning English.
Because learning English is not a short journey,
It takes time.
and sometimes we feel tired.
First, let's understand something important.
Motivation is not permanent.
Some days you feel excited,
Some days you feel lazy.
and that's normal.
Don't wait to feel motivated.
Take action first.
Action creates motivation.
Ask yourself, why am I learning English?
Is it for a better job?
For travel?
For studying abroad?
Or to feel more confident with others?
Write your reason down.
Put it somewhere you can see every day.
When you feel tired, look at it.
Big goals can be scary.
Like, I want to be fluent in 3 months.
That creates pressure.
Instead, say, I will learn 5 new words today.
Or I will listen to English for 10 minutes.
Small goals build confidence.
And confidence builds motivation.
Many learners quit because they think they're not improving.
But sometimes improvement is slow.
Try recording your voice today. Then record again after 1 month.
You will hear the difference.
That feeling is powerful.
Learning should not feel like punishment.
Choose topics you enjoy.
Watch movies you like.
Listen to podcasts about your interests.
If you love football, watch football interviews.
If you love business, watch business content.
Enjoyment increases consistency.
Change your phone language to English.
Follow English social media pages.
Listen to English music.
The more you see and hear English,
The more natural it becomes.
progress is not always fast.
Some weeks feel amazing,
Some weeks feel slow.
but slow progress is still progress.
Don't compare yourself to others.
Compare yourself to your past self.
Consistency is stronger than motivation.
Even 5 minutes a day matters.
Make it part of your routine.
Morning listening.
Evening speaking practice.
Small daily habits create big results.
If you feel tired, rest.
But don't quit.
If you feel slow, be patient.
But don't stop.
English is a journey.
Not a race.
Keep going.
Even one small step today is enough.
Thank you for listening.
Stay motivated.
Stay consistent.
and never give up.
See you in the next episode.